So welcome to Tech Coder. So today we are going to discuss one of the basic problem of basic question of every programming language, that is Hello World. Hello World program. Hello World program. So we are using Java as our programming language. So let us create the program. So first we have to make public class Hello World. In public class Hello World, in this we will create a main method, that is public static void main void main string args. So we have created our main method and our class hello world. So public means it is accessible everywhere. Static means it is a shared method. Void means it will return nothing. The return type of method is void, and the name of the method is main. So for to print anything on the console, for this we have to write system dot out dot println. So println. Now in anything we have to write anything we have to write as a string, so we have to use double quotes. So in double quotes, hello world, hello world in Java programming language. So we have to terminate it by using semicolon. So this is done. Now I'm using TextPad as my editor. So for this we have to press Ctrl 1 to compile. Now the file is the program is successfully compiled, and now we have to press Ctrl 2 to run the program. Now the program is done, and as you can able to see the output hello world in Java programming. So this is a basic program of any programming language. Once more you can have a look to this. So this is a basic program where hello world is class. The name of the class hello world and the file name hello world.java should be same, must be same. If I will change it hello world 1, so it will give me an error at a compile time, like class, this class hello world is a public and it should be declared in file name hello world.java. So we have to create our we have to save our file with hello world.java. So when I remove this one, let me compile, it will be successful. So our file name and our class name should be same. With we have to save this file with .java extension. Thank you. Hope you will like this video, and for more videos subscribe to my channel and please like and share my videos. Thank you.